Hey guys, Aaron here for Quad Logic, and today we're gonna be doing a Sportsman 570 battery relocate. So I guess at this point in time, I will turn it over to Grant. Hey, Grant here. This is what our 570 battery relocate kit consists of. This will consist of your battery cables, a few zip ties, battery mount, terminal block mount, your terminal block, and your hardware. We're gonna be relocating this battery to the rear of the vehicle for better access and to remove it away from the drive shaft. The first thing you wanna do is remove the strap and the cover for the battery to disconnect the battery.
Disconnecting this battery here, or the strap across the top, and then pulling that.
Next, remove the battery terminals. You can either use a 10mm or a Phillips screwdriver. After you disconnect the battery, you're gonna remove the bolt that's holding the plate that holds your battery in place. Now that we have the battery out, we're gonna be setting up our terminal block that we will connect our extension cables to the pre-existing battery cables. Now we are going to remove the coolant overflow reservoir to install our terminal mount. The next step is to attach your battery cables, the OEM and the extended cables together. After you've installed the terminal connections to the terminal block, you will now mount your coolant overflow reservoir. Next, we are going to remove the seat and the side panel so that we can run our cables to the back of the vehicle. On this particular 570, we have our quick release fasteners, which we do have a video of how to install these. Next, we will install our battery mount using the supplied hardware. The battery mount will attach two pre-existing holes in the frame. We will now install the U-bolt that is connected to the sway bar. After you've started the nuts on the bolts and the U-bolts, you can now tighten the mount down. Next, we will be installing the battery and the battery plate that comes from the factory. Before you place your battery into the battery mount, install the factory rubber strap on the back tab. And plates out of the way. Next, we will install our extended cables to the battery. Note it is best to install the ground first. Using your 10mm or Phillips, now we are going to install the factory cover. You do not have to put the cover back on. This will cover up your terminal, so it may be harder to access your battery, to charge it, to jump it or whatnot. So you do not have to, but we are going to install it in this case. In the kit, you will have 6 zip ties to secure the cables in place. Again, I like to follow the OEM wiring harness. Trim up the ends of the zip ties, then you'll reinstall your panels and your seat, and you should be all good to go. So that's it. Battery relocate on a Sportsman 570. Pretty simple to do. Not gonna take very much time. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy your day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy trails.